Duddley, why did the apple go brown?
I'm glad you asked this question. The apple turned brown due to oxidation.
Oxidation?
Hi everyone. Today we are going to tell you a process called oxidation with real life examples. This candle, this apple, that plant, this book have been made up of carbon compounds.
Even me, Duddley?
Even you, Bunny, because every living beings have carbon compounds. Come on, Bunny, let me tell you with few more examples. Let's go. Bunny, tell me the color of the leaves on this tree.
Some are brown and some are green. I think due to the oxidation.
You're absolutely right. In our atmosphere, we have oxygen and plant is a living being, so it has carbon compound. And when they both react together, there is a chemical reaction going on. That's why this process is named oxidation. Bunny, rusting is also an example of oxidation because iron and oxygen react together. Bunny, what did you learn in the previous video?
The apple turned brown and the leaves due to the oxidation.
Very well. Now let me tell you the types of oxidation, fast and slow.
I'm confused.
Let me clear your confusion by telling you examples. Touch the apple, Bunny. Is it hot?
No, it's cold.
Now let me light the candle, but I'll have to be careful. Let me put my safety glasses. Bunny, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Now let me blow the candle. Now touch it, Bunny. Be careful. Is it hot?
Yes, it's hot.
The apple is an example of slow oxidation. It does not need heat at all, only carbon and oxygen. And candle is an example of fast oxidation. It needs heat, carbon and oxygen.
Oxygen?
I'm hungry. Now let's eat apple.
Yeah.
Science is not a magical show. It is logic. You have to ask why for the reason behind it.
You are a science star. Keep exploring. Keep asking why. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.
Meet you in the next video with new experiment. Pushum.